welcome to the 2026 release wave 1 of Business Central Launch Edition. In this video, we're going to talk about enhanced sales analytics. The reason we invest in this is we want to still set focus on better analytics to get more profitability and more sales. And here in this wave, we focus on customer loyalty, being able to analyze recurring and churned customers, and just more easy built-in reporting for sales. So I'm going to demo things from starting in Power BI for sales, a little bit about just mentioning item ABC analysis. Even though it's inventory, it's still related to sales, all the way down to new demo data for sales analytics. So let's get started. In the Power BI app for sales, I promised last semester that we were done, and we couldn't help it. We just had one more thing that we wanted to add, which is customer retention, overview, and history. 2 new reports that simply allows you to see whether your customers are recurring, whether they are churning, and whether they're going back to you, either by geography, by customer, and kind of see that picture of your business as well. So that's the overview, but then you can also go into a more historical representation of the same data, where you can see new recurring customers over time, all the way down to temporary lost or real lost customer. Temporary lost meaning you lost them, but they kind of got back. Lost customers you haven't seen since that first initial or whenever they stopped buying. So hopefully this can help you also making sure that you focus on loyalty for customers, so the customers keep buying with you and are not churning. Related to sales, but as I said, mostly in inventory, is something called ABC analysis. ABC analysis allows you to divide your inventory of items in categories A, B, and C, where you say that category A items must always be on inventory because these are the ones that you sell the most, right? So even though it's an exercise in supply chain, making sure you always have things on stock, you can also use this in a sales situation or a sales analysis where you look at the things that sell based on like the first 50% and so on, however you partition your A, B, and Cs. So it's a new report in the inventory app. It also actually comes and it go to the inventory analytics session. There's a link for that to see. It also comes in an Excel version, so you don't have to use Power BI for this. We got some feedback for the sales reports that we shipped in the fall of 2025. We shipped these 6 sales reports with Excel layouts, and for these, the initial version was the pivot tables were missing subtotals. It's a very simple change, so we decided let's just ship this out of the box in this wave. If you want these on your own reports of the older version, it's just a simple check mark in the pivot table and you get to this. But these 5 reports now come with a little better analysis with subtotals. And then in this release wave, we are adding the ability to ship analysis tabs or analysis views with AL apps or with the AL code. So we decided also to ship some out-of-the-box reports in the sales area. So on the sales order list, we're shipping 3 analysis views out of the box. They're coming in 28.x, so not in the April release. But once we get a few months out, you should be able to see these surface in your application. Finally, we added, mainly if you're demoing both Power BI and other reports in the sales area, we added extended or enhanced the demo data for sales. There's a full session on demo data, so check that out. But in sales, we added the number of open sales orders and back orders, as well as the data distribution. So you can actually tell much better data stories in sales in the new demo data. If you want to learn more in analytics around sales, then go to this link, aka.ms/BC Sales Analytics. This will take you to that landing page under sales where you can both examine or learn about Power BI, the out-of-the-box reports with Excel, or even ad hoc analysis using analysis mode. If you're interested in this topic with sales analytics, chances are that you probably also like it in other areas. So go to these related sessions going from inventory analytics all the way down to our enhanced analysis mode. Those sessions are linked in the description here. So I hope that you will also watch some, if not all of them. And that's it. If you already know the Business Central resources here, then skip the video. If you don't, stick around for a few more minutes. This video on sales analytics is over, and I wish you a great rest of your launch edition. Bye. We have compiled a number of general resources that we believe are key both for partners but also Business Central customers. Some of these are partner, some of them are also for customers. So the first one is called aka.ms/BC All. This is a partner resource that contains lists of every other AKA link that is needed for you to understand anything about both the Business Central product, but also processes around it. We call these AKA links because they're called aka.ms and then /something. And with Business Central links, we always prefix with BC and then something. The next one is our partner network, social media for Business Central partners, Viva Engage. So aka.ms/BC Viva Engage is where you go and interact with other partners. It's not open for customers. So this is where you can ask questions, interact with the product group, interact with each other in a closed network. Third link is for both partners and customers. We are called office hours. So office hours is something we do once or twice a month from the product group, engaging with the community about new features or things we want to discuss. aka.ms/BC office hours is the place where you go to find out about upcoming events. These are recorded. I believe the recordings are available only to partners, but the live events are available to customers as well. Fourth link is YouTube, our YouTube channel. I'll talk about that in the next slide, and LinkedIn in the next slide. And then finally, for Microsoft partners, the BC's aka.ms/BC partner portal is where you get a lot of the resources as a partner, such as compete decks, pitch decks, and a lot of other resources. For LinkedIn, this is our product group's LinkedIn profile. We have 30K or more followers, so both partners and customers. This is the place where we from the product group put in news and small bits of information outside the quote-unquote official channel. So follow us on LinkedIn to learn what's happening right now around the product. And then also on our YouTube channel, this is where you're probably watching this, aka.ms/BC YouTube. We put in not only these launch editions twice a year, but also Copilot and AI videos, shorts, tips and tricks, technical deep dives under the hood. We even have this What's Cooking, where we put little nuggets of videos out for new features that are even coming in on the YouTube channel before they're coming in the release notes. So watch and maybe bookmark us on YouTube. And also notice all the playlists. So the content is also organized in areas, not only all the videos. So if you have an area that has special interests, such as analytics, you can find a playlist and kind of see all the content related to that. And that's it. That is truly it. We want, there will be no more. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. And again, have a great day. Thank you.